Today in math, we are going to work on comparing numbers. We are going to discuss the meaning of the symbols that we use to compare numbers. And we are going to use those symbols to record comparisons of numbers, money amounts, and addition and subtraction expressions. Let's take a look at a couple sentences. They say 1 and 1 is the same as 2, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Which symbol can replace the word is the same as or is equal to? That's right. The equal sign can replace the words is the same as or is equal to. Let's do that. What I have underlined in red, I am going to replace with the equal sign. And does that still make sense? 1 and 1 equals 2. So 1 and 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Yes, with those with the two equal signs, our number expressions still make sense. Which symbol can replace the words and or plus? That's right, the plus symbol or the plus sign. So what I have underlined in purple, I am now going to replace with the plus symbol or plus sign. Let's see if it makes sense. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Both of our number sentences say the exact same thing now. Sometimes numbers are written as words, such as 3, and sometimes they are written just as the number. And sometimes symbols are written out just as the symbol, and sometimes they are written out as the word. Today, we are going to learn to write other mathematical words using symbols. This says 30 cents is less than 35 cents. 30 cents is less than 35 cents. Remember, symbols often replace words in mathematics. Can you think of a symbol that can replace is less than? Yes, it is this symbol. I am now going to erase the words is less than and replace it with my purple symbol. Now, it still says 30 cents is less than 35 cents, but instead of words, I now have a symbol. Now, my math sentence has the symbol without the words. What does this symbol mean? 14 is what then 16? 14 is less than 16. This symbol is replacing the words is less than. What does the symbol mean in this number sentence? What words is it replacing? 21 cents is what then 15 cents? $0.21 is greater than 15 cents. This symbol is replacing the words is greater than. Remember, when choosing our symbols, the mouth of the symbol must be bigger to swallow the bigger number. The meeting point of the two lines of the symbol always points to the smaller number. Right now, my green arrow is pointing to where the two lines of the symbol meet. This means that this point right now is pointing at the smaller number. This means that 3 is less than 5. What if we have to compare amounts of money? First, we need to add up how much we have on either side. Here is one side, here is another side. Let's count up how much we have first. I have a quarter, and I know that a quarter is worth 25, and a penny is worth 1 and 1. 25, 26, 27. This side is worth 27 cents. Now I need to figure out the other side. I see two capital D's and an N, and I know that those symbols stand for 2 dimes and a nickel. A dime is worth 10, a dime is worth 10, a nickel is worth 5. So 10, 20 plus 5 more is 25. So I need to decide 25, and I'm comparing 25 cents to 27 cents. 25 cents is less than 27 cents. I want my mouth to go towards the bigger number that's eating the bigger number. And where the 2 points meet, they're pointing at the smaller amount. What if I have to compare something like this? 4 plus 1 compared to the number 5. This means that I need to know what 4 plus 1 equals. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 more, well, that equals 5. I am comparing 5 to 5, and I know that symbol 5 is the same as 5, or 5 is equal to 5. I will write this symbol in. What about this? I am comparing 7 to 3 plus 2. This means that I need to figure out what 3 plus 2 is. 3 plus 2 more, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So I'm comparing 7 to 5. 7 is greater than 5. My open mouth is going towards the bigger number, and the 2 points where my symbol meets is pointing towards the smaller number. Today in math, on Math Journal page 12, you will be working on similar problems where you will be comparing numbers and using symbols for less than, is greater than, or is equal to. You will be comparing numbers, money amounts, or addition and subtraction expressions, just like some of the examples I did. You will do Math Journal page 12 and 13 today.